This is really cool slider. Hey guys, it's Nemanja and welcome to another really fun episode. On today's menu we have this. This is Micro 2, really cool camera slider that is meant for close-ups and mid-range shots. And I really love it because it's small, lightweight, well-built, easy to carry. You can put it practically in any camera bag and take it everywhere with you if that's your choice. But we'll talk about the slider and the specs a little bit later after I show you some sample footage of what you can do using this slider, so to have a little bit more impression about this guy here. So let's watch it and then let's go back to the specs. And welcome back to the studio. You just saw the sample footage, I hope that you like it, and you just saw some examples how you can utilize this slider to make more interesting and more dynamic shots. I really like this guy right here because of several reasons. First, the size. It's pretty small. The length of the slider is only 33 centimeters or 13 inch, and the maximum movement of the camera from one side to another is 54 centimeters or 21 inch, which is really cool. And the payload of this guy is incredible, 8 kilos. So you can put a lot heavy objects here, like heavier cameras, etc. So it's really cool. And also it has a locking mechanism on the middle here, so you can just click, unlock it, and then you can move it left and right. And when you're finished with it, you can just put it in the middle, lock it like this, and then you don't need to worry about sliding in your bag or wherever you carry it. This is really cool. Another thing that goes with the slider is the bag, the carrying bag. In case you want it, you can just put it inside this bag and take it with you like that. As you can see, you can just have a handle here and just take it with you. But I like to carry it in my backpack just like this. Okay, on the bottom of the slider you have like a screw if you want to mount the slider directly to the tripod. That's one option. And another option is that you can get this easy lock. This is really cool, practically small tripod and a small stand for the slider. So you can just unfold the legs like this. And these small parts of the legs too, and you can put a slider on it, screw everything together. Let me see. Okay, it goes like this. Screw everything together. I will not screw it now. And you can use this to have some shots from a low angle, from the ground, from the table, or wherever you want. Of course, you need some kind of head for the camera. You need to screw this on and put the camera on and use it like this. That's really cool. You will get in the box a few tools, one Allen key and the screws, so in case you need that too. And for this guy, for the easy lock, you will get a quick release, which is right here. You just need to unscrew this and just quickly release it. You can put this on your tripod and just quickly mount this, screw it back, and you have this with the slider on your tripod. Don't worry about anything. In case you don't need it anymore in tripod, just unscrew it, take it off and put it on the ground, on the table, or wherever you want to have this for like low angle shots. You can use this slider in several different orientations, so you can use it just like this to film something from left to right to left, etc. Then you can use it like this to film it from like moving towards the subject or away from the subject. Really cool, as you saw in the video. Or you can use it like vertically, so you can have like from down to the top of something, or from the top back down to the bottom something, so you can be really creative. Also, one cool trick that we did in a video, because I was just with my friend filming, there is a scene that two of us are playing with the knives on the table and nobody are filming, but the slider and the camera are like moving. How is that possible? Well, it's really easy. You just need to tilt the slider a little bit, put a camera on it. Now I need to tilt it a little bit more because there is no weight on it, and the slider will go by itself. Really cool. By adjusting the tilt angle, you will adjust the speed of the slider. Really cool way to film yourself, or yourself with somebody if there is nobody to operate the slider and the camera. Another cool feature of this slider is that it has a self-cleaning mechanism on all four sides. So all the dust that is falling in the rails, you don't need to worry about this. The slider will take care of it for you. You just need to enjoy using the slider and make some awesome shots. It's well built, made out of the metal and plastic. It's really sturdy, easy to use and precise. All you need to do is just open the box, take the slider out. Don't forget to unlock it, because otherwise you will not be able to move it, and just use the slider. It's so easy and intuitive, guys. Trust me. In case you have any more questions about the slider, just ask me down there in the comment section below. I will be glad to answer it. And in case you want to purchase it, you have the link down there in the description, so check it out. If you like this episode, if you appreciate this content, just press the like button down below, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe in case you're not already, and also ring that bell to get notified about all the future episodes. Have fun, experiment, and see you guys in my next fun episode. Bye bye.